Hey guys, Doc here. I day trade Tesla options pretty much on a daily basis, and I've had a lot of requests from my Discord group as well as some people from YouTube asking me to do a quick tips, tricks video on options within ThinkorSwim to make them a little bit easier, a little faster. So here we go. To get to our options chain, we're going to click on all products. We're looking at Tesla here. Let's say that, here's our strike price. Let's say that we wanted to add this $800 call. Calls are on the left, puts are on the right, by the way. Let's say we want to add this $800 call to our watch list. So we're going to right click that, go here to add to watch list. Mine's called calls watching. So there we are, it added it. We're going to remove that. I'm going to show you another couple of ways that you can add this. So we'll right click it again, click on copy, go up here to our watch list, paste it. There we are. It added it again. We can also type it in. So the format's the same. Basically, you're going to put a dot, the ticker, the year, the last two digits of the year expiration, the month, the day, whether it's a call or put, and then the amount. So let's say we also, for whatever reason, wanted to watch the same expiration, the March 18th, 2022 expiration of the 795 call. So we'll just type it in. So dot TSLA. The expiration year is 22. The expiration month is March, so 03. The expiration date is the 18th. It's a call, so we put a C, and then 795 is the one we want to look. And there we go. It's added. We just typed it in. And let's say that instead of watching that 795 call, you want to watch the 750 call. Well, you just change the last two numbers. 795, just change it to 750. There you are. Now you're on the same expiration date, 750 call. So it's that easy, that simple. Okay, the next thing I want to show you guys is how to, let's say you want to set up an iron condor or a vertical or whatever. Let's right click on that call again. Let's set up an iron condor here. Go down here, click on iron condor, and there it is, sets it up for you. Then all you have to do is just change your strike prices. Same thing with a vertical. You can do that right here. And you just change your strike prices. Let's say you wanted to buy a straddle. Go here to buy, straddle, sets it up for you. You just have to make your changes from there. It's a little faster than going around and clicking all of the different strikes that you're doing. You can just change the strikes within the order confirmation. Makes it much faster. Okay, another thing that I want to show you guys is, let me go back a little bit. Why we do this, why we are watching, why are we putting these calls or puts on our watch list? Well, so that we can go to the charts tab or active trader tab, and we can actually trade off of that tab. This is really nice when you have another monitor. We can watch what the underlying stock is doing, and then you can trade off of here. So if you wanted to actually put the option on your watch list, we can look at it in a chart format. That's why we do that. Okay, so let's go back to our options chain here. Okay, one more thing I wanted to show you guys is you can change these columns up here. A lot of people are not aware of that. You can't change the bid and the ask, but you want those there anyway. But you can change these other ones. You can also add to them. So if you want to change, let's say instead of looking at volume, that for whatever reason you wanted to see probability in the money, and instead of open interest you wanted to see implied volatility, right? So you can change those. And then once you get the setup that you like, you can save it. I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. So let's say we wanted to look at more than that. So we go up here to this layout, right? And we go to customize. And when we go to customize, let's put volume and open interest back on there. So we go to look up volume. There we are, double click. Look up open interest. There it is, double click. And we hit OK. And now we have four tabs, or four columns. We have probability in the money, we have implied volatility, volume, and open interest. So let's say that we wanted to look at, let's go back to customize and remove some of that stuff. Remove that, and let's put, let's look for delta. I'll spell it right here. So delta, okay. So now we're just looking at volume, open interest, and delta. And if you like that setup, or whatever setup that you choose, you can go down here and hit Save As and save it. That way, if at one point you're looking at all of the Greeks, you can go there, look at the Greeks on those default layouts, and then at any point in time, you can come back down to your saved one down here, the one you like to look at. So that's that. That's how you do those things. I hope that some of those tips are helpful for some of you guys. And if they were, do me a favor and please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. I would appreciate it very much. And as always, happy trading, and we'll see you on the next vid.